welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm actually painting my nails again, which I'm pretty sure I painted my nails in like one of the last couple of videos. So I was in a hurry when I was painting them last time and I was just trying to go quickly, and I don't know if I forgot a layer or what, if I didn't cure a layer or I didn't do the top coat or I didn't do something, but a couple of them just started completely peeling off and I just kind of like lifted it and the whole nail just peeled off. So I did something wrong because usually they last for 3 weeks. So I'm going to redo them really quickly. Theo is sleeping right now. Yeah, I feel like at the beginning of Vlogmas, I was doing so well and like keeping up with the days. I was actually like semi-impressed that I was able to keep up as well as I could at the beginning. And now I'm just feeling like I totally have failed this week because I'm just really sleep deprived. Theo is like, he's on this, I don't know what's going on with him, but he does not want to sleep and he wakes up so many times per night. And we used to be able to just like pat his belly and he would go back to sleep, or like rub his head or his hands or something. And that just has not been working for the past like week and a half-ish maybe. And he is progressively getting up more and more and he will not let Adam calm him down. So it's like me all night, and it's become a thing that it's like me up for like 2 hours. I will finally get him to go back to sleep and then he's up again like an hour later. So I am just, yeah, running on fumes. I've been exhausted. This is the first day I put makeup on in like 4 days. And yeah, I'm just like not functioning. So it's been hard to like get the motivation to film, and I'm at the like tail end of trying to get everything done for Christmas. So I'm adding that and like running some last minute errands and stuff on top of just being like totally sleep deprived. So that is the deal. That's why I haven't posted as much as I've wanted to, but I did film a couple of clips the other day, and so I'm gonna insert those here, and then we will pick up in real time after those. Good morning. It's early. I mean, it's not like super early, it's like 7:30. But Theo did not sleep. Adam went back to bed. Yeah, I'm gonna be drinking lots of caffeine today. But my aunt, so Theo's great aunt, sent him this little Christmas tree that has Velcro decorations on it. Ow. Dude. So I'm going to use a command hook and put that up on his wall and then see if he's interested in decorating it. What do you think? Whoa. Do you want to decorate a tree? Do you want a tree in your room? Do you want a tree in your room? Ow. Okay, let's put the tree up. What do you think? This is what the tree looks like. It has all these little Velcro spots. So I'm just using a command hook. And then she sent these little LED lights. So we'll put those on it. And then this big bag full of Velcro ornaments. Can we stick that on the tree? No, you're just gonna eat it? Okay. Do you want to watch Mama do it this year, and then maybe next year you can do it? What do you think? You like it? That is so cool, huh? You have a tree in your room. You have your very own tree in your room. I think it turned out really cute. Obviously next year he will be able to help decorate it and we'll put it up a little higher. But cute little tree for his room. It's also made out of felt, so it's like indestructible, which is like key currently. If you have a baby and you don't have this nail filing set, you're doing it all wrong. It is the easiest way to cut those little daggers. So I just put Theo on the boppy pillow and then I have access to his hands. So I'm gonna file his nails really quick. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna make this super fast, okay? super fast. 1 down, 9 to go. All done. We're all done. You survived. Now we don't have daggers anymore. Let me just double check my work. Let me double check my work. Oh yeah, that's the fanciest baby manicure I've ever seen. Will you give me 5 stars on Yelp? Will you give me 5 stars on Yelp? I am on my living room floor per usual. I'm gonna try and get some wrapping done. Theo is gonna play on his playmat, hopefully. I'm importing or exporting a video right now, so that should be up hopefully soon. But yeah, I figured I should just get some wrapping done because it is a Christmas week and I have not wrapped anything except the gifts for my nephews that I sent off. So let's wrap some gifts. I will be showing gifts, so I'm trying to think about who's included in here. Theo's grandparents. I think that's it. Theo's grandparents. Do not watch this video. This is the little Narwhal piggy bank that we got for Theo. This is that like infamous Sophie giraffe. We'll see if he likes it enough for it to be worth, I think it was like $20. This is a little pajama set that I got for my mom. It comes with shorts and a tank. They're not sold together, they are sold separately, but these are supposed to be the best if you are a warm sleeper, which she is, so I'm hoping that she loves them. All of the grandparents are getting mugs with Theo's face on it. Adam's dad is getting this glass because he doesn't drink coffee, but the rest of the grandparents are getting mugs because they do drink coffee. That's what all of these boxes are his 5 grandparents. I swapped out our tree skirt. That is the one that my mom made me years ago. This is the one that I had at the office, and I just kind of like it better because it goes better with my presents. I just like part of my tree to be styled since we have like all of our sentimental ornaments on it. So I'm just gonna put all the presents that I have wrapped under the tree for now so that it looks a little less bare. I think we might have found a food that Theo likes. Right, Bubs? What? What are those sound effects?
I think it's a little tart.
Did he make any faces? Huh?
Yeah.
We just took a photo in our matching sweatpants and slippers. They're actually not matching sweatpants, they're just both beige. And our mama bear, baby bear slippers. So I will insert it right here. But I've basically picked out all of his outfits for the whole week. So I just changed him. He's not wearing a Christmas outfit at the moment because I wanted to do the beige sweatpants, but I have all of his Christmas jammies picked out for the rest of the week and then his outfits. So I'm going to lay them all out. I'll show you guys what he's gonna wear, of course. I need to put some lotion on his forehead because he's got some dry skin right there. Yeah, don't ya? But yeah, it's lunchtime for him, and then I'm going to go and hopefully do a grocery pickup and wrap the rest of our gifts. I just got Theo's laundry out of the dryer. I'm gonna fold some of it. I had to show you this little sweater. It's like this fleece pullover. I just grabbed it at Target. I need to lint roll it because it got some white specks on it from drying it. But this is gonna be one of his outfits this week. I mean, obviously with like little pants, but I love this and it's so cute. Okay, should we fold some laundry and listen to Christmas music? What do you think? Yeah? Let's do that. Hi, cutie pie. Hi, cutie pie. Who's that cute baby? Okay, should we listen to it? Are you going exploring in your laundry basket? Huh? What are you looking for? Whoa! Where did Theo go? There he is! There he is! This is another Christmas week shirt. Yeah, we're gonna put that in the Christmas pile along with that. I'm up at the office, which is why it's so loud. Our heat is just the loudest ever, but it's only, let's see, it's 30 degrees out today. I actually thought it was colder than that, but I am just packaging up a couple of orders. I love packing orders. I know that might sound like kind of crazy, but I think it's so fun to see what you guys buy, and I recognize so many of the names on the orders that it's just, I don't know, it's fun for me. And I'm not the one who packages everything anymore, so when I do get to, I just enjoy it. So that is what I'm doing right now, and then I have to go to pick up our grocery order, and yeah, it's kind of all that's going on at the moment. I'm gonna try and get my house cleaned up today because we are hosting Christmas Eve and then the day after Christmas. So yeah. Also, this is like a little sneak peek for you if you are watching this. On the 27th, it is my birthday, and every year for my birthday, I do a special limited edition piece on Essbe. So I'm gonna show you guys the piece right now, even though it's not available, and I'm not going to be showing it anywhere else until the 27th when it goes live. But it is this bracelet. So it has a bunch of different colored shades of pink beads, and then it has all of them are gold filled spacers. So I love it. I kind of feel like it's similar to the Theo bracelet, like in theory, that it has a bunch of different kinds of beads on it, but obviously different colors. And the Theo has all round beads. This one has different shapes. So I'm very excited about it. I feel like this is a very me bracelet, like pink and girly, and I love it. So that is going to be available on the website on the 27th, and it's limited edition. I'm making a certain amount and then they're gonna be gone, and I'm actually, I can't believe I'm saying this so soon because we are not announcing these things yet. We're doing a sale on the 27th, and the deal is that there's a certain number of discount codes per discount. So the highest discount, there's gonna be, you know, X number of codes. And then if you don't get that one, then you try the next one, try the next one, try the next one. So the faster you are, the higher discount you'd be able to get. And we're gonna do that as like my birthday sale thing. So that's gonna happen on the 27th, and it's gonna start at noon. If you are not subscribed to our emails, definitely subscribe. All the details will be there, and we also will announce everything over on Instagram. So I will leave the handle down below. It's just shop Essbe, but that's the deal for, I guess, Monday. I can't believe I'm gonna be 35. It's insane. I do not feel 35. I'm going to finish getting this packaged up and shipped off, and then go pick up my groceries because I already put in the app that I'm on my way, and I am clearly not. I forgot that I had to stop here first. So yeah, I'm gonna be late for what I told them. You're so good at sitting. Yeah, you are. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Here is Theo's OOTD. This is one of his Christmas outfits. It's not super Christmassy, but I figured he may as well wear all of his green. And these are the best. If you have babies, they are just little Velcro slippers, but they don't fall off. So if you're struggling with baby socks, highly suggest. Is Mama tickling you? Is that the spot? What about that one? Is that it? That's it right there.